Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I'm going to talk about the pieces from Kim Jones's last runway. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I have to say and maybe a couple price tags on some of those items. So I will put a picture up here of the item that I was really interested in. And I say was because I no longer am, when my SA told me how much it's going to cost. And it is a really, not that large item. But yeah, okay, it is made out of, metal. But seriously, okay, so here is the item again. You could wear it cross-body, I believe, and it has a shoulder strap. Okay, so get this. It costs, can you guys guess how much it costs? So my SA, let me just say my SA told me the price of it, and he texted me this, and I was in disbelief, because I thought he had mistakenly added another 0. But I spelled it out for him, and he said, yeah, that is the suggested price. Okay, so that piece is going to retail for, and this is from my SA, he says it is $23,000. Actually, he says it's $23,200. Could you believe that? It is ridiculous. And yeah, that is basically a price of a car, a brand new one at that. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I even like spelled it out for him. Did you say 23,000? And I spelled it out THOUSAND. And yeah, he said, yeah, 23,000. And he said that each of these pieces are going to be made to order, and so you can put your name down to order them. You know, give them your money, give them your $23,000, and yeah, they'll be happy to make one for you. And oh my goodness, some of the comments that I got on Instagram when I posted that information was hilarious. Let me go to my Instagram real quick, and I know Lori, she had a good comment. Let's see. Okay, so she says, it's tiny. No way all those toothpicks, and if you see my other What's in My Bag videos, I do carry a lot of toothpicks, and BWW, Buffalo Wild Wings, wet naps will fit. Okay, so let me read it again. So, it's tiny, no way all those toothpicks and BWW wet naps will fit, along with an O-case, keys, 1-1800 kinds of mints, wallet, sunnies, and lip balm. And she put hashtag let this one go, and believe me, this one is long gone from my mind. I am no longer thinking about it. I mean, it is very beautiful, I love it, but hell no, I am not going to spend $23,200 plus tax on this item. I think that's just ridiculous. And then somebody else said, was it Lori again that said it? I swear she has the best comments. Okay, so here is another one, and this one is in regards to this item right here. I'm going to post a picture, and it was the runway stunner piece. It is the backpack, and I think my SA, let me go back to the text message. The name of that piece is, okay, the name of that piece is the Mall Sherpa. And could you guys guess how much that one costs? I mean, this one is considerably larger than that smaller piece. Oh my goodness. Let me go back to my Instagram with the... Okay, so And you guys, you know, sit down because you're gonna want to not be standing up or anything. It's going to cost $82,000. Could you believe that? And again, here goes a comment from Lori. She says, OMFG. You guys know what that means, I'm sure. She says, is it infused with platinum, diamonds, and a little man that pleasures us while we wear it? How is it possible that it's so expensive? Crazy. And what really cracked me up with her comment was with the little man that pleasures us while we wear it, because who knows, it is big enough for a little man to hide in there. But yeah, it's just, could you believe it? $82,000. I'm still just trying to get over the price of that smaller piece, and I'll show all the other pieces. I have them on my Instagram, but I will try to post pictures here or somewhere. But yeah, it is a real shame that these pieces cost so much. I have also seen the Horizon, which is the suitcase, the roller suitcase. And I have no idea how much that costs, but it has to cost in between $32,000. Was it 20 something? Oh my goodness. So it has to cost in between $23,000 and 80 some odd thousand, because that piece is somewhere in the middle of those two sizes. Now there is a smaller piece that's sort of like a wristlet, and I bet that one's like $15,000. But yeah, like I said, it is very unfortunate that these pieces cost so damn much, because it would have been really nice to have one of those pieces in my collection, just as sort of like a memento from Kim Jones's last runway. But I might just have to settle for like one of the leather pieces, because those I'm sure are going to be more affordable. Because yeah, who could afford $23,000 for, you know, a small clutch? Or I think, you know, that's just a small bum bag or like messenger bag. It's just ridiculous. I mean, I could buy a car with that money. What else could I could buy 2 Birkin bags with that money, 2 Kelly bags with that money, and I'm talking about this for the smaller piece. And who knows what I could buy with that backpack piece. I mean, there are some places, I know when I used to live in upstate New York, there were houses, even when I was in North Carolina, there was houses that were being sold for, you know, $80,000. And so you could either get a Louis Vuitton backpack made out of metal, or you could own your very own home. It's just crazy. I don't know where they got these prices, and for that piece, the little one, to cost $23,200, where do they get off by adding that extra $200 in there? You know, they should have just went all the way to $23,999. Like, seriously? It's ridiculous. I mean, what do you guys think about the cost of those pieces? I mean, yeah, everybody is going to agree that they are beautiful, and they're probably going to be one of a kind, because for the price of those pieces, nobody in their right mind, not unless you're a millionaire or a billionaire or whatever that has money to throw away, is gonna be able to afford those pieces. It's nonsense. And yeah. Yeah, anyway, so that is all I really wanted to say for this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comment down below in the comment box. And yeah, just let me know what you think about the price tag. Let me know what you guys think about the items themselves. People have told me that, you know, the vachetta strap, it was a bad decision, because over time it's going to look, you know, not as fresh and brand new. But that's what you get with vachetta pieces. yeah, just let me know what you guys think, because I've let you guys know what I think. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.